our program is to hand over the certificates to our resource persons for this afternoon.
Okay, thank you.
Please read the citation na lang din. Sige, pasabi. Read the citation first. Kaya ito na ipa-submit sa Sunstar Bohol. Okay, Sunstar Bohol, no? Sunstar sa Bohol, Takto kayo naka-straight ka, pink ka ng brand. Sige.
Certificate of participation is proudly presented to
Marian Ora.
Marian
Ora on his meaningful insights and valuable contribution as an interviewee on the topic of quality control held on September 24, 2025 at Primary Homes Bohol, given this 24th day of September at Primary Homes Bohol.
Alright, yatag mo.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Certificate of participation is proudly presented to Engineer Amon Ray Garrett for his meaningful insights and valuable contribution to be part as an interviewee on the topic of quality control held on September 24, 2025 at Primary Homes Bohol, given this 24th day of September at Primary Homes Bohol.
Thank
you
you!
so much.
Sige, group video. Naka-on na, no? Thank you, Primary Homes. Kanang day, inyo nga picture. Tingnan mo na lang.
Thank you.
Picture. Inyo nga day, inyo nga file kay video. Tingnan mo na, importante.
Inganin po, di sa una before mini-graduate.
Ikaw mo tagaan mo gift, tagaan mo gift.